So the client's got 4 charges, 3 are misdemeanors, 1's an attempt murder. There was no defense. It was a shooting on video, a gun recovered, full confession, but there was this insane backstory. And the DA's office agreed with us that the client deserved misdemeanor probation. We go to court. It's in this cute little village court upstate. I've never been there. The judges don't know me. I don't really know the judge. Everyone's there with like a parking ticket or petty larceny. We're sitting there with an attempt murder. We go on the record. The DA says what the plea is, and the judge looks at me. And I'm thinking the judge is going to say, no way am I taking this plea. It's too low for what the charge is. Except the judge says, this is an excessive plea. And the judge questions me about my experience, about my judgment, how long I've been practicing for, what type of cases I do. It's this insane inquisition. And the judge asks the client, are you sure you trust your lawyer? Like, this is insanity. Do you want to do this? It's your first arrest. You've never been in trouble before. And the client knows the work that went into the case, how we made this happen. And the client's like, yeah, convinces the judge, we all want the plea to go through. And the judge does the allocution, the plea goes through, and as the judge is explaining the fines to the client that are associated with a guilty plea, I see the judge flip over the buck sheet and his face just drops. That's when he saw the attempt murder on the docket. But he already said, I accept the plea. It would have been real silly for the judge to be like, just kidding, I want to go backsies. And so very quickly packed up our stuff and we ran out of the courtroom. And the client looks at me and says, is this what it feels like to rob a bank? And I said, I think so. But on that case, the judge thought I was the biggest idiot ever without really knowing what the full picture was. An attempt murder on the docket that's punishable by 5 to 25 years jail. And that's not the outcome that we've gotten.